So for the case study task 2, you will add the main users and distribute IT student names to all department and section and area. So first of all, I have this script that my classmate made and I will copy it to the desktop. Then after that, we will open the Windows PowerShell and we will run as administrator. So first, we will type this import module Active Directory. Then after that is CD. And we'll wait for this. And after that, so it created a group for the academic and administrative sections. So it has department, Basad, Ayad, Maad, and Kaat. And for the administrative is this and the security groups. So here is creating the users. So next is for creating administrative users. So it is created. And after that, for the last is the adding computer to the organizational units. Nice. It is added in the department and office always in tpt.edu.page to me. So it has Basad 7 Basad XP, for Kaad 7 Kaad XP, Ayad 7 Yad XP, and Mad 7 Mad XP. So to the group policy management, we create a new GPO and name academic passwords. And for the administrative, create a GPO and name administrative. Then first, in the academic, we edit it. So we'll go to the policies, the Windows settings, and the security settings. We go to the account policies, to the password policy, maximum password age, and we choose this maximum password age. We define this policy setting, expire in 30 days, and okay. So next is for admins. So we edit it. Let's go for computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, and security settings. Then account policies, and for the password policy. And let's go for this maximum password age. Find this, make it to 30, apply, then okay. Then let's close it. We're going to. So it is all finished.
So let's do this first. First, we click this user, we select this all, and properties, and let's go for account, and we click this log on hours, so we edit it, so log on tonight, so it is between 7 to 9 a.m. So let's see. There you go. So let's make it log on permitted. Let's click OK. Then for the computer restrictions, they can only log on to Basad 7 and Basad XP. So click OK, apply, and OK. Let's do this for all the academic departments.
And log on to computers. That's all. Thank you.